Hello and welcomes. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes and let your mind relax. We will begin a gentle journey with basic English greetings and introductions. Listen to the sounds and let them wash over you. I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, they are. I am happy, you are calm, he is sleeping, she is dreaming, we are learning, they are resting. Let's explore a peaceful garden. See the tree, a tall green tree. Hear the birds, small singing birds. Feel the sun, the warm gentle sun, I see the tree. You hear the birds. We feel the sun. Now let's look at some common verbs. To be, to have, to do. I have a dream. You have a quiet mind. He has a goal. She has a peaceful heart. We will count together, slowly and calmly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. Imagine you are in a cozy kitchen. The food is good. The water is cool. The bread is freshy. I eat good food. You drink cool water. We enjoy fresh bread. Let's use some simple adjectives. Good, bad, big, small. It is a good day. It is a big house. It is a small book. You are a good learner. We are surrounded by a calm blue ocean. The water is deep. The fish are colorful. The boat is slow. I see the deep water. You see the colorful fish. We see the slow boat. Here are some useful everyday phrases. Thank you. You are welcomed. I am sorry. It's okay. Good job. Well done. As we finish, remember these words and phrases. Your mind is always learning, even in a state of rest. Keep practicing and you will find your English improving naturally. Sleep well and good night.